see what we can do here.
Needs more
You
gas.
missing exhaust?
I'm sorry, what was your question?
He said it needs more gas.
No. Royal, what'd you say?
Something about an exhaust
No.
leak?
How about it needs a little more timing? In this case, it wasn't starting like it was supposed to. It sounded to me a little bit like it was missing timing.
Needs gas, doesn't it?
Maybe the battery.
I'm not getting gas.
You think you're so smart standing back there?
does.
You think you're so smart standing back there shouting
No, it
out what
needs
everybody
more gas.
knows?
No.
We're just not
Gas in
shouting it out.
Put some gas
I
in
want it to breathe on its own. Is that okay?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Should we pull it back out?
No, I don't want to pull it back out. Is it pumping gas yet?
But it did need more gas.
Oh,
I'll put what I want in it. I'll put what I want in it. I'll put what I want in it.
It's gonna go bang.
Stay back.
It doesn't go bang. It's not a shotgun.
It's gonna go bang.
It is not getting fuel up there yet. So after figuring out that it needed fuel, I was wondering why, since the fuel pump's new and all the lines are new. And then, of course, voila, there it is, Darren's handiwork on the back. I guess when I asked Darren to put the fuel lines to the fuel tank and connect them, he probably figured I meant go home and watch the duck game.
uh-oh, they're not connected?
Uh-uh.
I wasn't told to hook him up. It's just something that got overlooked. That's all. Marcus wants to blame me.
Just hate your guts.
What do you need?
I just wish he was dead.
Let's get her done, come on.
I ended up doing the work myself because I knew if I did it right then, it'd be done and done right. I was able to make all the final connections where it was pumping fuel, and boom.
And then he said, I told you needed more gas. All along, needed more gas. More gas.
It did.
And you kept calling me crazy bad names. I said, it needs more gas.